Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us come to the poem Mummy's Darling. Mummy's Darling. Let us read the poem. Sunday morning, Mummy yells, "Your room's so dirty. Clean this mess." Under my bed was my wet swimsuit, a half-eaten cake, smelly canvas shoes. On the floor were bubblegum vapors, pencil sharpening and potato vapors. At last, when I cleaned my room with dust cloth, mop, dustpan and broom, dear Daddy smiled, a granny could. Grandpa hugged me over the moon. Mummy calls me, but when she calls me her darling like that best. Now I am going to explain about the poem. Sunday morning Mummy's yells. Yells means that they will be shouting. See, Sunday if you won't go to school. Yes or no, children? You keep your room clean. So your mummy is awaking you and she's shouting to keep your room very clean. And your room so dirty, she's telling. Mummy, what she's telling? She's telling, look at your room, so dirty it is. Wherever you want, you throw your clothes. Wherever you want, you throw your shoes. Things are fallen wherever it is. It's in not proper way. So mummy is telling the child to clean the room, to clean their own room. Clean this mess. Mess means untidy and dirty. Mess means you can see here the things are fallen here. Wherever you can see here things are fallen on the bed. You can see here downside the things are fallen. So your mummy is telling the child to clean the room. Under my bed was my wet swimsuit. See, under the bed it was a wet swimsuit. Means no swimming suit. When they go to swim, they wear that suit and afterwards they have to put for drying. No, they did not put for dry outside. Just they dumped under the bed. It will be smelling, no, children. We should never do that work. After getting a wetted suit there, swimming suit, you have to put outside for the dry. A half-eaten cake, smelly canvas shoes. See, half-eaten cake also is fallen there. Smelly canvas shoe. Smelly canvas shoe means it's smelling so dirty. Canvas shoe. After wearing 2 times, your shoe will be smelling. Your socks will be smelling. What you have to do? You have to wash it and you have to put for the dry outside for the sun, so that it won't smell. When you keep the same thing, all wetted one, whatever the smelly things, now eaten cake, half eaten cake, they all threw under the bed. After under the bed means it will be smelling. No, we did not see means. If we won't see that, it will be smelling like that only. If we see that and we remove and throw that outside, it will be good. No means it will be smelling very dirty. On the floor were bubblegum's vapors. See, See, on the floor you can see anywhere the bubble gums, vapors means, for example, if you eat a chocolate, if you eat a bubble gum, what you do, you throw that wrappers wherever you want. You should not throw like that. You should go and throw it to the dustbin, so that your house will be very clean, your room will be very clean. In school also, I always advise you all, you have to keep your classroom very clean and tidy. You should not throw the papers. You should not throw the sharpened things there. Dust and all you have to put in your bag or in dustbin. You have to put in that. Okay? Pencil sharpening and potato vapors. See, pencil sharpening. Pencil sharpening means, you know, no? What is pencil sharpening means? When you sharpen the pencil, the dirt will come. What you have to do? You have to put in dustbin. You should not throw like that. You should not throw wherever you want. It should not be like that. You have to throw in dustbins. Potato means, you know, no? Potato chips you eat. Lays, kurkure. You have bingos, potato vapors you see there. After eating, what we have to do? You have to throw in the dustbin. You should not throw in the classroom, or you should not throw in the house. At last, when I cleaned my room with dust cloth mop. See, dustpan and broom. See what he has took and cleaned the house. He have cleaned the house by dust cloth mop. Mop, you know, no, they will clean the house. They will clean the house with the mop. They will swab the house with the mop. They sweep the house with the broom. Without broom, we cannot clean the house. We cannot remove the dust. First, they will clean with the broom. They will remove all the dust. Afterwards, they take the mop and they will clean the. After that, dear daddy smiles. Daddy is feeling very happy. Why is feeling happy? Because his son has done his own work. He has cleaned his own room and he is very happy by the child doing the work. A granny is good. Grandpa hugged me over the moon. See, grandpa hugged me. Hugged me means he has just hugged it tightly. He has hugged over the moon. Means grandpa, grandma means very happy. You feel very happy. Yes or no, children? Yes, because they don't allow you all to beat. They don't allow you all to scold. So you all people, children, loves grandma and grandpa very much. Now, mummy calls me. Mummy calls me, but when she called me her darling, I like that best. See, when mummy calls you, come, they will be calling their names and they'll be calling you to come there. When she feel very happy, when she loves you more, when she likes you more, what she keeps and calling you, darling, come here. Mummy will be calling darling to you all. You'll feel very happy, no? Yes, children? Yes, you feel very happy by mummy calling darling to you all. Yes or no, children? Hope you all understood there. Over the moon means, see, over the moon. Grandpa hugged me over the moon means it's very happy that grandpa feel very happy and they will hug you. Grandpa and grandma, they love grandchildren. They love grandchildren a lot, children. Yes, so you children also love them very much. Yes or no? Hope you all understood this story, children. What is the summary of this story? You know, Mummy is telling the boy to clean his room, to clean his room because Sunday there will be no school. So Sunday you have to get up early in the morning, clean your room. Don't keep the mess like this. Mess means it's very dirty. So you children also, Sunday what you do? You have to clean your room. You have to clean your bag, school bag. You have to see your socks whether it is neat or no. You have to see your shoes whether it is clean or no. You have to wash all the things on Sunday. Children, hope you all understood this story. Yes, children. Thank you.